we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Returning to the video, I want you to scroll down and click on this link. You may join up for a free account. By providing your name, email address, and password, you can create a free account. So, after agreeing to the terms and conditions, click the yellow Sign Up button. Once you've reached a satisfying result, you can scroll down and click on the certificate. You'll notice that it reads awarded to your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the Retatype.com signature to verify that it's legitimate. This certificate will be extremely valuable to you. You could be paid at a much higher rate. Keep watching because I'll teach you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $50 for projects like this one right here over and over again. You can actually click on this print button right here when you scroll down again. But don't worry, you can do this on your computer or on your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is see the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the Save button. So now we're going to talentdesire.com, and they want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this red button that says Apply Now to be directed to this page, where you can start applying for your job. However, please pay close attention and watch this video till the very end, because the registration page on here is quite tricky and difficult to discover. If you don't watch this portion carefully, you may get lost along the road or fail to find the registration page. Then, just scroll down to discover what's available. Select an application to use. After that, we'll go to this page, where you can apply for our work-at-home jobs online by clicking on this red link. I want you to look for this red link that says Fill in your data to apply and work with us. As you can see, the registration page is quite hidden on this website. So if you can't locate it, rewatch the video or bookmark or save it to your playlist and watch it again. When you scroll down below this page, you can see where you'll be filling in your personal information. The first step is to accept the privacy policy by entering your first and last name, email address, phone numbers, and country, then clicking the down arrow. They welcome people from all over the world, including India, Nigeria, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and Pakistan, and more. Moving on to the next page, this is basically your professional information, and it is an important component that the majority of individuals overlook. Now I want you to put Professional Data Entry Specialist in the job title field. And it is essential that you type the job title exactly like this one, and then select the best time for you. Then right here, click the down arrow and choose any time you want. Although I recommend all day because it will give you more possibilities and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Select the best option for collecting your earnings using the down arrow here: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. So for me, I personally choose PayPal. Now scroll down to choose your current professional status, and you can choose one of the statuses right here. So in this case, I just use self-employed. Once you've filled out all of the details, click Yes. I've read and accepted the above statement, and don't forget to sign your name, which you can do by typing your full name here and clicking I'm not a robot. Then click the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs such as this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words, and this is just one page. And then another $15 for the second page, and another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for every single page that you type, but make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.